Hi, Rob Shreve, Coastal Shores Landscaping. Thank you for viewing our June 2019 newsletter. Well, it is officially spring, but it sure feels more like the middle of summer. The story of May has been record-setting heat and little to no rain, which obviously, if you just look outside, our landscapes are paying the price for these extreme weather conditions right now. The good news is they'll spring back. Chances are we'll get into some tropical weather of some sort, hopefully nothing severe, but we usually get some summertime rain and things like that. As soon as that starts to happen, our landscapes will spring back to life. Think of your plants and grass, they kind of have a defense mechanism and they shut down somewhat. They might not be as green or they might not bloom as much, and they're just kind of going into a defense mode until they get some moisture. Main thing you need to consider now is just making sure you can irrigate as much as you can. There's no amount of irrigation that's going to offset zero rain and 100-degree temperatures. The main thing right now, you're just trying to keep those roots hydrated, so once we really do start to get some adequate rainfall, the top growth will reflush out, your grass will green up, your shrubs will begin blooming again, and everything will be fine. So just keep the irrigation going. And I promise you, everything will be fine once we start getting a little bit of rain. Do need to consider this time of year, though, an insecticide, especially with this heat. The soil temperatures are very warm, which lawn damaging insects love. So if you haven't already put down an insecticide, that's certainly something to consider throughout the month of June. So, and even though it's been hot, it's been dry, we're still planting shrubs and trees and putting grass down. And again, it's just a matter of adjusting your maintenance moving forward based on the weather conditions. So please contact us if we can help you do that as we move into the summer months. So be sure to check out Zach's video. He'll go into a little bit more detail as far as kind of what to expect throughout the month of June. And please contact us if there's anything we can help you with throughout the summer months. Enjoy your summer, stay cool, and we look to hear from you soon.